Hi everyone, this is Dina. I recently got myself a Wolfbox I07 dashcam for my car and I'm loving it. Let me tell you why. This dashcam from Wolfbox is a 3-channel dashcam with a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. It has a 4K plus 1080 pixel front and inside camera and a 2K 1440 pixel plus 1080 pixel plus 1080 pixel rear camera. It also has a 3-inch LCD screen with a super IR night vision and 24-hour parking monitor. The Wolfbox I07 dashcam is designed to provide 360-degree protection for your car. It records in 2.5K 1080 pixel and 1440 pixel and has a built-in G sensor and loop recording. It also has a dual parking monitor mode and a Type-C power supply for added stability. This dashcam is perfect for ride-share drivers and it has an infrared night vision and a built-in microphone and speaker for a two-way communication. It also has a dedicated app for easy management and one-click sharing. So if you're looking for a reliable and secure dashcam, the Wolfbox I07 dashcam is the perfect choice.
Guys, if you're in the market for a new camera, there are several things to consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses, these lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance, such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out without having to switch lenses. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of photography styles. When choosing a camera lens, it is important to consider the focal length, aperture, and image stabilization. Additionally, you should think about the specific type of photography that you want to pursue and choose a lens that is suitable for your needs. Guys, I sure hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photography!